about how can you face this problem on your Peacock app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Peacock app, or just click on search. So then here at Peacock, it's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here, click here on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, then you will search here for Peacock. It's going to show for you like this, you will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.